देखिए, मैत्री रावत हमारे यहाँ बीटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस की छात्रा रही है और उसका प्रोसेस जब वो फाइनल ईयर में था तब से गूगल का शुरू हो गया था और अभी 2020 बैच में पास आउट हुई, तो अभी वो प्रोसेस जो 2020 से शुरू हुआ था उसका अभी रिजल्ट निकला है और उनका गूगल में प्लेसमेंट हो गया है। और ये खाली ग्राफिकेरा के छात्रों के लिए ही नहीं, इस पूरे रीजन से जो भी बच्चे तैयारी करते हैं बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी के लिए, उन सब के लिए बहुत बड़ा जो है मोटिवेशन का पॉइंट बनेगा, क्योंकि नॉर्मली लोग यहाँ से इन्फोसिस, विप्रो, टीसीएस, इसराइल कंपनीज में तो निकलते ही हैं। इनके साथ मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा, हमारे एक स्टूडेंट का अभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में प्लेसमेंट हुआ है, दीपक सिंह रौतेला उसका नाम है, और इससे पहले भी जेड स्केलर में वो निकल चुका है, अमेजॉन में वो निकल चुका है। तो छोटी जगह के बच्चे भी बहुत बड़े बड़े यहाँ पे जो है ग्राफिकेरा में आके बड़े बड़े कीर्तिमान स्थापित कर रहे हैं। और इनफैक्ट ग्राफिकेरा की स्ट्रेंथ ही ये है कि यहाँ पे मीडियम क्लास फैमिली के लोग आते हैं और जिनको भूख होती है अचीव करने की, और वो बड़े बड़े अचीवमेंट्स करते हैं। देखिए, ग्राफिकेरा में फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद ही बच्चों को अलग अलग ग्रुप्स में जो उनकी जितना उनके अंदर कैलिबर होता है या जो उनकी जो होती है स्ट्रेंथ को देख के और जिधर वो जाना चाहते हैं, तो अलग अलग किस्म से प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दी जाती है। बहुत से लोगों को पीजी के लिए प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, गेट के लिए भी लोग प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, बहुत से लोग फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, बहुत से लोग जो उनको पाते हैं कि ये टेक्निकली बहुत साउंड है तो उन्हें बड़ी कंपनीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर किया जाता है। और उन्हीं सारे एफर्ट्स का नतीजा है कि अब बड़ी कंपनीज़ में, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, गूगल में या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में या अमेजॉन में ग्राफिकेरा के बच्चे जाने लगे इतनी छाप छोड़। देखिए, जब ग्राफिकेरा शुरू हुआ था 93 में, तो मैं अकेला उसमें टीचर हुआ करता था, तो वो चीज़ मैंने अभी भी कंटिन्यू रखी है। उससे मेरा बच्चों के साथ फर्स्ट हैंड इंटरेक्शन होता है, उनकी परेशानियाँ, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेसेस का पता चलता है, जिससे हम आगे योजना बना सकें। और ये मैं ये कहूँगा एक बड़ी सुखद अनुभव है और मेरे लिए बड़ी एक रिफ्रेशिंग एक्सरसाइज होती है कि मैं क्लास में जाता हूँ, क्लास लेता हूँ और वापस आता हूँ। और आजकल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वगैरह भी हम लोगों ने काफ़ी लिए, काफ़ी लेक्चर्स अपने रिपोर्ट किए हैं, तो ये ग्राफिकेरा की एक स्पेशलिटी है।
Yeah, I'm feeling great. Yeah, I can't even believe that it happened. It's like a dream come true. Yeah, so when I got the call from the recruiter and he said like everything is positive and you'll get an offer. So at that time I was shocked because I was expecting the other way. I was expecting a rejection because selection at Google is very scary. But I got it. So yeah, so when I got my offer letter at that time, okay, I started believing that something is happening now. Yeah, like a week later after my call. So I was working as a software engineer, full-time job at IIT Smart that time. So I won't say that it was easy. So you have to make a plan, and I used to study whenever I get time from work. So basically, if you have time in between meetings, in between like a lunch time, little time after lunch, or sometimes in the evening, all my interviews actually happened after work. So I used to the last interview I had was at 10:30 p.m. So it was with the US team, and they were asking me like, how are you even up to solve a 45 question in 45 minutes time at this moment at night time in India. So I got the first call from Google when I was in my 4th year. So I started my preparation then. I did not get into there really. So yeah, so I started my preparation then, and it was like happening. While I was working, I was solving question at that time as well. But when I got the call again, I started more, and I focused more on fundamentals. So I believe that I had strong fundamentals in data structures while I was in the university, and that was very important. Chairman sir, Dr. Dhawan Khanchala sir used to teach us. So I think at Google it's very important that you have strong fundamentals in data structures and algorithms. You can solve as many as problem, but having a strong fundamental is very important. To be honest, like when you are studying something that you really enjoy, do not count the hours. I never counted mine. So I do not really know, but until so it's like you should enjoy problem solving. So if you have a problem and you have this thing in yourself that I have to solve it, and until I solve it, I'm not going to solve it. So it should be that kind of motivation. So if you have that motivation, you won't worry about how many hours I'm paying to that. You know that you have to clear all the doubts. You have to go to professors, you need to ask them and all that. After I started working, Yeah, so basically after I started working, like I said, I used to study whenever I get time, mostly after dinner. I at least gave 2 hours after dinner and before my morning calls and in between lunch. So whatever, like how much time I get, like, I do not even know, because whenever I got time I studied. So my idea is that when you are preparing for any coding interview or any competitive programming question, the question is not based on a single question, it's based on a concept. And when you are solving a question which is based on a concept, every question is based on a concept, you should have strong fundamentals. That's why I'm again and again saying that each and every question can be solved if you have fundamentals. If you are very clear on what the thing so it's not about that you have been taught one thing and you just mugged it up and you write it in the exam. You need to actually question yourself, why is it so important? You need to play around with it. So as though I never did competitive programming, not a single year, not even 6 months. But yeah, I focused a lot on my fundamentals and focused a lot on solving questions that related to those fundamentals, that related to that concepts, different type of questions. So again, when you're doing competitive programming, you get into companies because you are solving, 500, 600 questions. So you have solved a large quantity of questions, and that may be one of them may come into the interview. But when you are focusing on quality, if you're focusing on, just concepts and questions relating to those concepts. So also, this is another way to, crack any company's interview. So, just choose whatever you like, whichever suits you. If you are in your 3rd year, 4th year, and you have not done any competitive programming, I would suggest to, go to YouTube, and I think Kanchala sir's lecture is also on YouTube, so you can just go there, prepare on your fundamentals again, and solve the questions relating to those fundamentals. If you're in your 1st or 2nd year, then you can probably go for competitive programming. Yeah. Whatever suits you. Firstly, I would like to thank God, because and my parents, my professors, Chairman sir, Mr. Kamal Kanchala sir, and the Women Engineers program for which I was part of, all my mentors, Google mentors I had, all the people in my office, they also supported me, although they didn't know, but yeah, they also supported me. I would just say, find a motivation that, motivates you enough to not sleep. If you have that, you surely get what you want. So that's what happened with me even after I graduated, I got it. So this is exactly what I just इसको शिद्दत से जाओ मिल जाता है वाला हिसाब है. So yeah.